Did you know it's possible to click a button and get viral buyer traffic in 60 seconds or less? If that excites you, pay attention. Because we've developed a software that does exactly that. It's called Iviral X. This software is groundbreaking and gets free viral buyer traffic so you can finally experience sales online. So, how does Iviral X work? Iviral X works by sourcing free-to-use image and video content that is already viral, proven to attract traffic, and posts that content to social media profiles. Along with the link of any website, we want to drive traffic to for instant traffic, leads, and sales. That link could be to our sales pages, landing pages, affiliate links, Shopify stores, or any website we want to promote. Iviral X is beginner-friendly and suitable for all ages. You don't need any special skills or experience to get traffic and sales flowing. It's fast, it's easy, and it works. The best part is, everyone can benefit from the viral buyer traffic that Iviral X can get for you. This makes Iviral X a must-have tool for anyone who wants to get traffic and make money online. You're just 3 steps away from viral buyer traffic. Step 1. Grab your heavily discounted copy of the Iviral X software right now. Step 2. Log into Iviral X from any device anywhere in the world and enter some simple information. Step 3. Click Go and then watch viral buyer traffic and sales come flooding in. Being able to drive traffic on demand catapults you right into the laptop lifestyle. You can get traffic and make sales consistently, without any prior tech skills or experience. Stop buying software and training that just doesn't work like they claim. Work smarter by using our software that does all of the heavy lifting for you. Travel the world, quit your day job, and live life on your own terms. And you know what's really killer about this software? The results you can get are better than using paid traffic and time-consuming free traffic methods. And that's not all. Because we know how important it is to be able to get traffic from anywhere, we've made Iviral X cloud-based. This means you can use the software on any device, anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Drive free traffic to your websites or affiliate links when you're traveling or taking a vacation, even if you only take your smartphone. You're probably thinking that this revolutionary traffic-getting software is probably very expensive. Although it would be easy to charge you $97 per month for this, and you'd still be getting great value even at that price, however, you're not going to pay anywhere near that today. During this special launch, we're slashing the price and eliminating the monthly fee, but only for a limited time. That means, when you get Iviral X right now, you're not going to pay $97 per month for access to this fantastic software. In fact, you're not going to have to pay monthly at all. By hitting the Buy Now button today, you get instant access to Iviral X for a single, one-time investment. And that's not all. When you act fast, you'll get 8 premium bonuses worth thousands of dollars absolutely free. And to make this a total no-brainer for you to grab this right now, you're fully protected by our 365-day money-back guarantee. Yes, we said 365-day, which I know is unheard of. That's how confident we are that you'll love this. And if you think that's good, then listen to this. If you implement everything we show you inside and you still don't get results, we'll put our money where our mouth is. Not only will we send you a complete refund, but we'll also send you $250 out of our own pocket. So the only way you lose is if you don't take action on this incredible deal right now. So act fast, because the price goes up every 60 minutes. For real, if you wait, you'll pay more. Are you tired of struggling to get the traffic you need to succeed? Are you ready to stop spinning your wheels and finally get real results online? Then go right ahead and click the button below. Do you want to get free viral buyer traffic in 60 seconds or less at the click of a button? If you answered yes, then click the button below to lock in your discount and get instant access to Iviral X right now before the price increases. Go ahead, do it now, and we'll see you on the inside.